Okay, now I got my camera on macro, and what I'm doing is I'm sliding this along my track so you can see the whole thing. And I didn't do this before. I just thought, well, I have come up with a different way to look at this. Anyway, the macro, the way it's sitting, is pretty much getting all the knobs. And there's the Atwater Kent right there. And let's see. Let me see if I can tilt this down. And we'll have to move the light around and see if you can catch everything in there. And let's see. I'm going to do it like this. And then see if I can angle this. So you can see the capacitors in there. And those are the transformers, actually, not capacitors. Those are transformers. I think you can see pretty much all of it in there. So, yeah. And all the coils are really in nice shape. On the outside and inside, it looks like there's nothing broken. The windings look perfect on this. The wiring on the inside is something else again. I think I see some broken wires down in there. Let's see. Right between transformers. See those right there? If you look down in there, those are wires, and it seem to be going to the switch down below. And the switch in there, which I'll show you on the outside what it looks like. Yeah. Okay. Here's the switch. This is the switch right here. That's for switching, actually, filament power, I believe it was, from what I read. But as you can see, this whole thing is, it used to be, looks like brown crackle finish. So I'm going to have to redo all of that. It's definitely not in good shape. Let's see what else we can see. Tilt it back some. Trying to hold this thing with one hand and try to slide this other. But yeah, so you can see all the paint is really messed up there. So this is probably the only good spot in the whole thing right here. That's it. All the rest is pretty much gone. So I'm going to have to go ahead and take all that off. I'll have to take all the knobs off. And so that'll be fun. And I don't know, I might be able to get away on the end here on that one. And I still can't hold it up. This thing's actually heavier than I think. Move it back farther. And tilt it back. There. Gonna try to get some contrast here. Alright. Alright. So, as you can see, I'll get that a bit darker. Alright, so you see, it's all, there's a lot of bare metal here too, all the way along. But like I said, all the knobs are really in nice shape on this, so it shouldn't be much of a problem, I don't think. I do have a schematic on this, so we will see. Anyway, that's looking at this thing with my camera set on macro, my Zi8. So there you are. Such as it is, the Model 20C Atwater Kent from 1926. And there's the little sticker right there. And that'll be it for now. See you guys later.